Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send and upload high quality videos on WhatsApp without losing quality. If you're new here, I'm Michael. To upload high quality videos on WhatsApp without losing quality, first go to WhatsApp and start a message. On your chat page, you can upload a picture by clicking on attachment and then clicking on gallery to select your favorite gallery application. You can also do so by clicking on the camera icon. When you scroll up, you're going to see your recent videos and photos. Select the file you want to upload, and on this page just above the timeline you're going to see the HD option. You can click and hold this to upload your video in high definition, or you can click on it to select the media quality you'd want to upload your video as. If your video is a 4K video, it's going to be compressed down to a high definition video. Click on this and then click on send. You can also identify if a video was sent in high definition with the HD logo. Click on the video to play the video and you will see that there is an improvement in the quality of the video you've uploaded. For example, this is what the same video looks like without selecting the high definition quality. A lot of details on the video has been compressed and the quality is very poor. There are also situations where you want to upload a video and you do not see the HD quality, or you get this error which says that cannot set to HD. Well, this is how you can solve that problem. The first thing you need to do is to go to your app store and download any of your favorite video editing software. You can download CapCut for both Android and Apple stores. Once you have the application installed, click on new project and then select the file that is not an HD file. Select the HD button below here and then click on add. Once you've added the video to your timeline, just above your video you're going to see the quality at which you can export your video on the 1080p, and then you can max out each and every one of these options. Once you're done, click on export and your video is going to be exported in a higher quality. Once you have the video exported, go back to WhatsApp and then upload the video. Now you will see the option to upload the video in high definition. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to send and upload high quality videos on WhatsApp without losing quality, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.